Well, here it is. SpeedRamp Editor is finally ready. And I want to be clear, I'm not trying to sell you something you already have. SpeedRamp Editor isn't just another template or a set of presets. It's a genuinely intelligent system that actually understands your timing. It reads your markers, processes your time codes, and builds a complete rhythm-synced edit with smooth ramps, clean motion, jumps, boomerangs, everything aligned automatically. I built this tool because I was tired of doing the same mechanical steps in every project: keyframing, retiming, fixing curves, recutting transitions. There had to be a better way. And now there is. I'm honestly excited about this release, not because I want to push a product, but because I finally created the tool I always wanted to use myself. A tool that lets you focus on being creative instead of fighting the routine. And here's something really important. SpeedRamp Editor can literally put your SpeedRamp edits on a conveyor belt. If you're making edits for clients or running a production workflow, this system lets you create consistent, high-quality SpeedRamp videos fast and at scale. Use it once, and you'll instantly feel the difference. SpeedRamp Editor will help you work faster, stay organized, and focus on the creative decisions that really matter. Whether you're making edits for yourself or delivering projects for clients, it gives you a reliable way to produce clean, rhythmic SpeedRamp cuts again and again, without the usual headache. Enjoy the workflow, create more, stress less.